All right, it's super easy to change the blade on a Bosch reciprocating saw. First thing you want to do is gently tap the trigger because you want the blade to be all the way out. So right now that's good. If you had the blade in like that, it's going to be a little bit harder to do. So I'm just going to tap the trigger until the blade's extended fully. With that done, all we're going to do is grab the knob around the blade here, and when we twist that, it's going to release the pin that lets us slide the blade out. With our new blade, we're going to try push it back in the same way, and we're going to twist this once again. And with that twisted, it's going to pull the pin back, and we can wiggle the blade around until we feel that it's secured with that pin. I'm going to hold it all the way, wiggle the blade in, and you'll be able to tug your blade and see that it's solid in there. It's not going to go anywhere.